Hey guys, welcome you all in this new video. I'm gonna show you a very useful add-on that I saw recently on the Blender market. The add-on is called Quake Motion Camera Shake, and the name itself is explanatory. Using this add-on you can add realistic motion to your camera, and that is an essential element for realism. And if you are an artist, you already know that how small details increase the overall quality of your work. So I hope this add-on can be very useful for you. So let's see this add-on in the Blender. So here, if you just press Shift plus A, and in the menu, if you just go to the camera, here you can see a few presets for the camera, like racing camera, phone camera, handheld camera, etc. And if you add any of them, you will see a new camera is added into the scene, and that kind of motion is there on the camera. And if you want to explore more options, you can press N on your keyboard, and then in the properties panel you can see Quake tab, and here you can see there are a lot of options available, and you can find the same options in the camera tab also. And here are some camera shake presets. You can apply any of them according to your need. You will get 20 motion camera presets, 10 camera shake presets with the ultimate version. Actually, I like these presets as they give extremely realistic camera shake, and according to the type of situation, like you are making a scene of the explosion, you will get instant camera shake, and that's also a time saving thing, as you don't need to go to graph editor and tweak the values of modifiers to adjust the motion to get a bit of realism to the motion of the camera. The next thing I wanted to show you is adding camera motion presets directly from the add menu. Like, I added a handheld camera preset from here, and doing this I got animated camera motion, which looks nearly similar if you handheld a camera. So I think this is pretty cool and a very handy tool. The next thing that I liked is you can directly track your camera to any object in the scene. Just select the object you want to snap it to, and then while the camera is selected, hit the set track button, and this will track the motion of the selected object. You can see here, as I am moving the cube, the camera is looking at it. Although you can do it manually, but doing it from here in just a single click is handy. At least I find it easy. The next thing I wanted to show is camera motion presets. You will really love these, as you can set your camera preset matching to the type of scene. And another great thing I loved about these is actually they are made for the camera, but still I discovered that you can also use these on objects. So this can also be useful for you in some kind of situation where you just want to give a random motion or shake to any object. There are a lot more functionalities in this add-on. Like here, pan left and pan right buttons. When you click on these buttons, you can quickly animate your camera moving right and left, depending on the pan distance and duration. Overall, I found this add-on a very useful and time-saving tool, and a must-have tool for quickly adding different motions and shakes to the camera. You can explore more by going on the Blender Market page of the add-on, and if you want to get a copy of it, the link is in the description. You can purchase it now. That's all for this video. Stay subscribed to my channel, and for those who have already not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that another time when I upload a new video you will get a notification. And Happy New Year to all in advance. Stay well, and may the new year bring a lot more prosperity in your life. See you in the next year with a smile on your face. Till then, good wishes, goodbye.